Oh shit, it is. Okay. Perfect. And we need to start descending, guys. 114 miles, is that true? Probably it is true. Okay. Okay. Less music, please. A little less. Okay. Now, let's set this guy to... Let's make it 10,000 first. Yeah, 10,000. 9,000, yes, okay. And then start reducing speed. I think it's probably, yeah, hopefully it's shorter than an hour, Steven. It was very abundant, that provision that I had. So maybe it's a better one now. Okay, then I'm gonna start going down manually. I'm gonna do a descent manual, a manual descent, yeah? So I'm gonna do a vertical speed, boom. And then I'm gonna start going down as soon as we lose more speed. So let's idle thrust, boom. Oh, I have both Blacklegs. There's Moobot and Nightbot. They both work the same, yeah. And yeah, they both work the same. The Moobot tells me if anybody follows, I think, and the Nightbot tells the route and whenever it works. Because there was a period it didn't work, so I said, you know, I'll switch to Moobot. But then now it works. Nightbot works, so seems to. Okay, let's go down a bit. What is it, 100 or 200 every notch? I don't know, 200 maybe, yeah? So this should be 500. This should make it, 2 notches will be 1000. Yeah, let's see. Oh, that's a complete route actually, yeah? That's a complete route, Blacklegs. I thought it was cool, I don't know if it's cool. But now we are between, we're going to SBBE. If you look in SBBE, we know what the route is. Okay, let me make a little less than 2000 feet a minute. That should be kind of okay-ish to go down. And it's idle thrust, which is cool. Yes, I kind of like this, yeah? Make it a little more, maybe. Around 2000 feet a minute, around. Okay, so that's a speed, which is good, actually. We'll keep in the speed. All right, guys, all right. Shall I do a... Actually, you know what? I can do an IIS hold. There you go. So we keep going down with the speed. The route is it's tomorrow. I'll continue the route. Yes, absolutely. I'll continue the plan. Yes, Blacklegs, absolutely. The plan is to continue those points you see there. Yes, there you go. Now let me see here. That's the VOR. I need to prepare the ILS, which is 1093. 1093. And I think we can just fly direct towards the VOR. We don't really care because in the end we need to stay between, yeah, we need to take the arc. So I actually, yeah, I can keep it like that and forget about this. I'm gonna make it already the one that we need to take, which is 064. 064. Really? Is that how we're coming? Oh, of course, yes, yes. Wow, okay. Are we sure? Yeah, why are we coming this way? So, okay, fine, no worries. Okay, guys, I'll probably have to hold, because I think I started my descent very late. And we'll probably have to hold at Jara, I think, which is 8 miles from the VOR. I'll probably hold it earlier on than that, but anyway. So yeah, the route command gives you the master plan. I should probably keep the link and then add to this link the route I'm doing now, which is probably making more sense. Yeah, I'll remember. I'll do it tomorrow. But yeah, that's it. 75 miles, 26,000. That's an idle thrust. That's not good. I'm very high actually here. So let me see. Where can I hold? Sid, that's already the ILS, so there's no start, there's no arrivals here. Fuck. I don't really care though, yeah? Ah, now I see probably why. Okay, so... Let me go here. Where am I coming from? Where are we coming from actually from here? What is the Janus will be more or less? If we're keeping the heading 306 more or less. Kinda, yeah. So Janus will be James. Ah, of course, yeah. So that will come. Oh, right, the most lateral one. Okay, so at 20 miles, we'll do the radial basically. Well, sorry, the radial. We'll do the arc. The 20 miles arc will stay within of the VOR. Yeah, that's good. That's good. All right, guys. All right, almost there. Almost there. Going down. Come on, come on. Yeah. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go, Carva. That's beautiful, man. I love it. There's a sleeping face as well. There you go. Yeah, that could also be used to dance. Yeah, there you go. Lucid dreaming. Yeah. There you go. Oh yeah. See, that was good actually. Maybe there's more. Still within the descent, 45 miles. Really not much to do now, yeah? Until we're crossing 10,000, we're not really giving a shit about what's going on here. Ooh. This is a nice intro. So... yeah, fuck it. Songs with a nice intro can end up two ways only. It's like binary code. It's either 0 or 1. So this is also not a nice intro. This could be better probably. 50-50, yeah? Our chance to get a better one is 50%. So there you go. There you go, guys. There you go, there you go. Yeah. Yeah. Give me that bass. Come on. Whoop, whoop. Oh yeah. It's actually a pretty good one. Of a eerie feeling, yeah? Yeah. Nice. Really, Blacklegs? Wow, man. Congrats. Congratulations. Yeah, what is Oppa actually? Ooh, wow. There you go. Fantastic. Congratulations. Bravo Blacklegs. Bravissimo. So, I guess speed breaks a little. Oh, 20 miles, I have to turn. Twenty-two more or less. There you go. That's it. That's it, guys. Be prepared. Oh, it's 30 miles. Ah, fuck it. It's fine. Don't worry. It's fine. So let's make it 27. Something like that. Yeah, okay. Do you think so? I don't know. I don't know. What is... I don't know. No, don't rage. Don't rage, Blacklegs. You know what? I'll stay within these miles actually. I'll take it easy, guys. Yes, yes. 24, there you go, yes. Take it easy. By the time we get there, we should be okay. Lights on, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so okay, we're keeping at 24 miles. It's actually easier to take to follow arcs with this plane. Look at this. As long as you keep the same numbers on the DME, that's beautiful. I love it. We need a multiplayer set. Maybe, I don't know. It's difficult to fly alone sometimes, man. But yeah, I can set one up. I can try. We might give it a couple of tries. We'll see, man, we'll see. Yeah. This is 9-inch nails, actually. 9-inch nails. Very nice. I have to say, very nice. Yeah, I think shared cockpit probably is what I will do. I don't know. I have to find a good way. I don't know, guys. I like the way it is now, to be honest, but probably a bit of smart cockpit, probably smart copilot. Oh, these are eerie sounds, isn't it? Wow. Okay, let's slow down, baby, slow down. Okay, so let me keep the vertical speed. Yeah, the one that we have now. Perfect. And reduce my speed here, at least my bugs. V cards, please. Same route in multiplayer. Yeah, same route is better, I think. I agree, Carva. Yeah, I prefer same route, probably. But I don't know. I really don't know, man. I really don't know. Unless we can fly Cessnas all the time. Why not? Maybe we can do only a general aviation multiplaying. Yeah, only if general aviation, something like that. That could be cool, actually. Makes it more interesting. I don't know. So slow down, baby. Make it 200 now, because the V card will be. So flaps will be 20. Nah, really? 15. 15 is okay. 15 is okay. Oh, wait. 15. Oh, no. 30 probably then. 30. Or maybe 15. 140. Yeah. 30 is better, yeah? I prefer 30. There you go. When this happens, you'll be in the 1900. There you go. Oh, yes. Thank you, Carva. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Armed. Thank you. Wow, man. I was losing it. 4,500. Nice. I like it. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Thank you, Carva. You saved me. You saved me, man. Okay, so... Yeah, keep the speed brakes. Flaps 30, 125. Do I have my bug set? Yes. Okay, keep this here, baby. Keep this here. Boom. Okay, so yeah, thanks again, Carva. Thanks again. I like the idea of general aviation only, to be honest. I like this. I like it. Something like this, yeah? Flying all the way. You did credit. You did get credit, yes. Okay, so... Actually, it is true, but in 2.1 is the SkyMax 2.1 is actually improving a lot that issues, guys. So apparently it should be a lot better. So I actually want to shoot for 180. Yeah, 180. Actually, 160, man. 160. Okay, less music. Okay. So the altitude is armed. Okay. Guys, I need to focus. So excuse me. So we're now leveling off. I'm gonna arm my speed brakes. I'm gonna stay. We're still at 24 miles. And we're kind of aligning already, yeah? Kinda. We're getting closer, very close. We're in... There you go. So when I'll be at... I think when that will be around 45, 50, we'll start the turn towards the localizer, yeah? Okay, make it 160. Flaps 2. Actually, make it Yeah, 160 is okay, yeah? A bit more power now, baby. Flaps 5. And now, let's start. Let's be ready to turn. Okay. Yeah, we land a lot earlier than that, Blacklegs. A lot earlier. We will land a lot earlier. Alright, so 40. We're 20 miles. I think 160 is okay. Flaps 5. Yeah, I like it. Now I'm gonna start turn towards like 30 degrees more or less, yeah? And then I will have my Warlock. Actually, can I arm it already? I hope I can. There you go. Yes, I can. I can. Yes. And then this to GS Auto. Boom. So we arm also the glide slope. The glide slope. Glide slope. Le flaps are at 5 now. I think, what is my 15 limit? Flap limit 15 is 215. I could probably go 15 already. Oh shit, oh shit. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, fuck, 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 fuck. Ah, shit. What's happening? Okay, fuck it. I lost it, guys. We lost it. Well, I lost it. So it's manual now. Ah, come on. Why are you going that way, you bastard? Because I probably armed too many things at the same time. So fuck it. This is... We'll fly this way now. We have... I'm gonna arm the glide slope still. Still up. Flap 15 then. There you go. Flaps 15. Down, baby, down. Okay, stay there. Alright. Stay there, stay there. Don't worry. Alright. Speed. 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 Alright. Right, let me see. Warlock. And actually, this is going there. Oh, that's why. Okay, now that's why. Okay, fuck it. I don't care. I really don't care. Do we have the... There you go. That's my ILS. It's already there. 10 miles. Oh, shit. Alright. Don't go down, baby. Don't go down too much. Stay there. Okay, good boy. Sorry, guys. I'm kinda losing it for a sec, but I should be able to get back more or less in control. And I'm gonna wait for... Okay, there you go. We're below the glide slope. Perfect. We have a glide slope almost alive. I don't see the VOR alive. No, I'm not gonna engage the autopilot. No way, Garva. No way. We're gonna do a manual one. Either do or crash. That's it. Either we do it, either I do it or crash. That's more or less my alternative. So I think I can still shoot for... Yes. We're almost... yeah, still at 20 miles. I can still intercept it, man. Safely. Almost aligned, actually. I think it should become alive anytime soon. The localizer. Mr. Localizer. Let's see. Yes, guys, you better brace for impact. That's for sure. Because in the dark is the very first night landing I do with this. So yeah, it's a manual landing. Yes, manual. Manual, yes. Emmanuel, probably. Okay. Why are you going down? Go up, go up. Actually, stay level. That will do. If you stay level, boy, it's already good for me. You know, it's already very good for us. Okay, 16 miles. Can I still make it? Let me turn a little more on the left, just to be sure, yeah? Just to be sure. All right, let's see, let's see. Flaps are 15. Little more power. What is it now? 132, something like that. And we should basically start to align now. I think almost. Let me see. Almost 3,000. Still 3,000. Wow. Okay. Fine. Fine. I think the glide slopes should start to come alive at some point. I don't know. Let's see. Come on, boy. Come on. You can make it. Is he alive? Not really. What the fuck? Oh, he's not alive. Why am I turning? Okay, glide slope is kinda moving down, yeah? It's starting to move down, okay. But the localizer, really, no freaking clue. Am I completely off? No, it should be 64, yeah? So it should be anytime soon. Come on, man, come on. Why don't you align? Why you no align? Why you no align? I have a glide slope there. It's alive. Why the fuck aren't you moving, you bastard? Oh, there you go. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, boy. Oh, there you go. There you go. Yes. Yes. Okay, we have a runway. There you go. Okay. I think it's time for our descent. Yeah, going down, going down. Still have to turn though. Okay, keep it, no, not too much. Keep it like 700, something like that. Reduce power. Gear down. Go down, go down, go down, go down. Okay. And turn. Okay, less engine. We're really going fast here, so I need to slow down a bit and trying to capture better my localizer. Now it's time to go up a bit, add some power. Pitch. Pitch please, pitch please, pitch please. Okay. Flaps 20, oh, 15 actually, flaps 15. And, alright. Alright. Why do I have an engine flame out? Why should I have it? No, P3. No. I don't want that. I'm kinda... I don't know, guys. I don't know if I'll make it. I have no clue. Okay. I'm a bit below. Up, up. All right. Keep it 500, and the speed is okay. I like it actually. I'm not too unhappy about the speed. I think it's gonna be a very hard one, guys. Sorry. I just wanna say sorry in advance, yeah. Because I know it's gonna be a hard one. I know already. Anyway, we'll try. We'll try and stay aligned. Try keep it there, like this. More or less. Still on our right a bit. Okay. All right, is this wind? I hope not. A little less, okay. Going there, okay. Yeah, there seems to be a little wind, actually. Yes, guys. Excuse me. Fucking YOLO this, guys. Let's YOLO it. There's a bit of wind, actually. I don't like crosswinds. I really don't. But we'll get them. Okay, fine, fine, fine. So... Still quite high, but it's fine. Don't worry. Oh shit. Ah, fuck off. Fuck off. Yes! Yes! Wow, it's crosswind this one. Yes, guys, yes! We fucking YOLO'd it! Yes! Woo! Woo! Guys, I'm really happy. I'm fucking happy here. Where's my champagne? Man, we fucking did it, guys. We fucking did it, team. Wow. Yes, I'm actually okay, guys. 200 feet a minute. Fuck off. I mean, wow. Yes, yes. I'm more than happy. And never forget, the landing speed plugin was made for general aviation planes. So it's for a Cessna, yeah? It's for a Cessna 172, basically. And again, that's the best excuse I can find. So fuck it. I'm gonna use this one. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Blacklex. Yes, we deserve a dance, and thanks for doing that, man. I really appreciate it. I kinda needed that, probably. Yeah. Is this a taxiway or a turn point? Let me see. It's a turn point. Yeah. Okay. We turn back. Man, I'm really happy. This plane hand flies well. Yes. Yes. Thank you, Uni. Thank you very much, sir. There you go. Well, it didn't say it was excellent in terms of FPMs. But you know what? I'm actually quite happy. Let me see. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Don't speed, don't speed. Just turn, baby, yeah? Keep turning and give some speed. Now, I should have some scenery here in Belém. Although it's a bit of a small airport, I believe. But yeah, wow, man, I'm happy. I'm really happy. My very first night landing with a 727, 200, and the very first time I fly the 200. So I have to say that it's really handy to fly. I have to say, really. P3 is absolutely right. Can I disengage these guys? Yes, there you go. Yes, Carva. Oh, thank you, Commandant. And 250, actually 205, sorry, P3. I think it was 2. But yes, no, it's normal for a big jet. There you go, thanks. Guys, Steven, what's up? So, yes, Carva, you can. And if you are going, like, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much for staying around. And still, yeah, for all the help you gave me. For the precious contributions, yeah, with the dancing kappa. You know how much I like them. So, man, thank you so much again. I hope you have a great night ahead, a great sleep, yeah? Because that's exactly what I'm gonna go for now. Well, in a couple of minutes, probably. Myself. So, thanks again, Carva. I love you. I will see you very, very soon, man. I will see you very soon. Thanks again, sir. Have a great one, bro. That's not a terminal. That's hangars. Yeah, that's shit. I want a terminal, which probably is that one. And, oh no, that one. I see jets. I see planes. Wait. Should I go that way? Let me see. Let me check. Oh, thank you, Uni. Oh, you see? I'm always looking for stuff to end the stream with. So thank you so much. What the fuck? Is that a taxiway or a road? What's that? Okay, I need to see it. I need to watch it. I need to watch it. I need to see what that goes. Let me see this. Okay. So let me see this. I want to see the end stream. And then I want to park. And then we'll probably go with the end stream thingy. Let me see this. Let me put this on pause. Oh, nice. What is this? 4 minutes? Perfect. Thank you, Uni. Thank you very much. 4 minutes, it's perfect. Is perfect. So the APU is on. Yes. Let me check. I don't need this anymore. Can I? No, replay. Does it make sense a replay at night? I don't think so. I don't think so. I'll try. Actually, yeah, I'll try. Fuck it. Let me try. But I don't think we'll see anything, really. Let me see from the tower. That's a view from the tower. Yeah, come on. You don't see shit. But we'll see. So... now, a little more of this. I just want to see whether it was kind... I don't know. Let's see. Let me check. Oh, yeah, because then we turn, yeah? There you go. Wow. It's a long one. You see, what time did I... 3 hours only? Shit delivery? It's Alaska Airlines, man. But it's not bad, actually. I like it. Unless you don't like it. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Maybe we see something. I don't know. Yes. Wow, there was a bit of crossing. Look at that. Wing flaps. I didn't see it. Man, I'm quite happy with this. I mean, look at that crosswind, man. There you go. I don't know if I can see. Let me see, maybe from this view. So it's not really a whisper jet when it comes to the ground, yeah? Okay, let's see. There you go, guys. There you go. Boom. Look at the nose. Look at that. Let's look at it again. Yeah, Blacklegs. I should have used the rudder, actually. I should have used the rudder before touching down. I used it later, actually. Look at this. I mean, there was crosswind. Come on. There was a bit of crosswind. Oh, look at those wings. My God. It's beautiful. Beautiful. So, you know what? All in all, guys, I'm quite happy with this landing. The more I watch it, the more I'm happy. Ah, yes! The sounds! Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, Blacklegs. It looks like the B1B. Absolutely. Absolutely right, bro. Absolutely right. Yes. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, I'll make sure I make an highlight of this. Thank you, Uni. I mean, I'm really happy, you know. I don't think I've... I mean, I wouldn't really complain. I usually give shit to myself, but on landings especially, to be honest, this time, I'm happy. Okay, so, park it next to the other planes, maybe. Can I stop it like this? Yes. Boom. Now he's gonna go crazy, yeah? No. Okay, go boy. Keep going, don't worry. Nobody's stopping you. So yeah, thank you, Uni. Sheds a tear of joy, Blacklegs. Oh, me too, actually, me too. Also because yes, that resemblance with the B1 is beautiful, man. It's really, it's truly beautiful. No. 10. Really, Uni? Wow. Thank you. Wow, like I'm really happy, man. I'm really happy. And acceptable, 200 feet a minute. Wow, yeah. Not really complaining. The thing is, I might actually complain to whoever laid out these taxiways, because I have no clue where I should go, and I have no clue whether that is a road. Oh yeah. Look at that. Stop, baby. Stop. Start turning. There's the tower. Okay, very good. That's it's actually a pretty tight spot, this one, yeah. Okay, and I've stopped. Okay, so let's go this way. Not so fast. Is this a no? It's not a wrong nose. 150 to 50 is perfect. There you go. All other landings are bullshit. FSX. Shots fired. Indeed, Uni. Indeed. Although, yeah. Nah, come on. It can still be good, isn't it? Yeah. Man, I was born almost like in FSX, yeah? If it wasn't for FSX, maybe... I don't know if I'd be flying a flight sim now. I don't know. Maybe, yeah. Still... Yeah. Sometimes I keep saying I love Linux, yeah, and I'm really almost unable to work on Windows, although I know it, of course, I have to know it. But I'm Linux. I prefer Linux mainly, yeah. But I keep saying that if it wasn't for Microsoft and Windows, yeah, I probably wouldn't have a job even. So, you know, that's the kind of thing that says, okay, all right, fair enough. Oh, we're in the grass. Well, of course, it's YOLO air. Ah, no, we were temporarily in the grass. Okay, where should I park here? There, next to this guy, yeah? Next to Avianca. I have no clue where these guys are parked. And I don't know what those lights are for. But you know what? I'm gonna... Is that? Yeah. I'm gonna be in front of the tower. There you go. If I see where I'm going as well. Okay, there you go. Oh, there you go. There's a nice building there. So this is where we're gonna park, guys. In front of the thingy here. And I believe that's grass then. Yeah. Cars there. Yeah. Boom. Oh, Uni, I'm a Debian. I was born on Debian. I love Debian. Now, I like FreeBSD as well. Let me see. Let me stop this and shut down the engines. So I'm fascinated by the kernel of FreeBSD, yeah, although I don't really know it very well. Yes, FreeBSD is not Linux really, but I'm fascinated by it, yeah. And I only played a couple of times with it, to be honest, only a couple of times. But my one is Debian. Ubuntu, I actually got over Ubuntu using Mint, if I ever have to. But Debian, actually, you know, I'm more even on. I'm not even graphical, man. I'm textual. I'm console. So that's why I love Debian. And but yes, to run Explain, you need a graphical interface. And again, decent Ubuntu, decent Mint, they run nice. CentOS is not too bad. It's more professional, yeah. It's stabler probably in some cases. It depends on probably on what you need to do. But yeah, I love Linux, man. I love it. So there you go. Everything runs faster pretty much on Linux. Yes, definitely. That's very true. And I would also add that macOS is Unix anyway. So it's a BSD mod, kinda, yeah. So that's why I stay on this. So 1, 2, 3. Bleed is on. Nice. Fuel pumps will be off at some point. Interface can be crap, although guys, I suggest you try Mint with the cinnamon interface, with the cinnamon UI. I think you will like it, guys. Give it a go, give it a go. I think you can get a live CD, of course, live image, live USB, so you don't really need to install shit. Just give it a go. I think you will like it, guys. Something tells me. Okay, so shut down the APU. I have my battery. Boom. So we'll shut down this, because I don't want a burnout, yeah? Hydraulics off, 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 off. Pumps off. Let's make it Christmassy, shall we? There you go. This is a perfect plane to fly Christmas. Should I do this, maybe? Probably, yeah. I don't know. I will do it. And then, no air for anybody. Boom. Bye-bye, guys. Although there was no air already, so off with these. There you go, guys. Oh, do I have to play this video really? It's good friends video. Ah, yeah. Show it on. Well, let me first check it, and then we'll see if I'll show it. So first, let me check. So I'm already keeping this. Oh shit, not this one, the other one. So yeah, guys, Linux Mint. Give it a go. Try Linux Mint. I think you'll like it. How are we doing outside? Oh, it's all off, of course. Let me see. Can I actually keep the lights on? Like the wing, the logo, and the navigation maybe? Will they be on? I have battery. Oh, not really. Oh, maybe it's this one. Wait a sec. There you go. Okay. Well, we don't see much really. No, it's gonna be in the inside. Fuck it. Inside it is. Close on the inside from this step here, from this little point here, which is a nice one actually on this plane, I think. Just a very nice looking point of view. Yeah, something like this. There you go. Like a security camera. I'm gonna call it view number 7, because I really like it. Linux is better, absolutely, Petri, absolutely. Linux is better than pretty much any other operating system. Now, I have to still cut a little arrow, yeah, as we say, break a little arrow, as we say in Italy, for macOS, because it's a really nice BSD mod, although it might have been kept, it should have been kept a little lighter. But again, I always blame Tim Cook, but I mean, yeah, since Steve, yeah. So, but I know they're very good friends, and probably he's the very right guy. I don't know. Maybe I'm just, you know, just pissed off about a couple of issues I had lately. So there you go. And that's very true, Noodle, yes. With X-Plane, like with OS in general, yes, I think it's fair to say that Linux tend to use more of the resources of the machine, or try to locate more, at least, of them. But yeah.